Hello, my name is Sandro Kaviesel. I'm a section leader of Passive Safety Department here in DTC. We're performing crash tests since 1994, and today we performed the FMVSS 212 crash test for Sika. And as usual with Sika products, everything went well, and we're happy to have a pass result today.
So with this crash test today, we were looking at our SikaTack ELITE power cure system. And what's wonderful about the power cure system, being a boosted system, it is so robust, the strength values are so good that there was really never any doubt that we were gonna come out on the right side of this crash test, that we were gonna see the result that we wanted. So to come here, it's always exciting, your heart starts beating, the adrenaline is pumping, but as soon as that car started going down the track, there was very little doubt that we would see a very good result, and that's exactly what we saw. That's due in completely to all the work that gets done beforehand with the development process in the lab, doing all the testing beforehand. We know what the result's going to be before we get here with this product that was never in doubt with the SikaTack ELITE.